hungry. I need coffee and a donut. So let's go for a ride. She gave me this thing. Just fantastic. I love snow-capped mountains. Let's find coffee. Time. Oh yeah, we could do that. I was figuring out. I got the Gillette, so I just could use that. I'm just staring at this like, I don't know. No.
Your last part example at the high school.
Hey,
Hey,
how's it going?
you ready?
Yeah,
Yeah.
So ready.
You're gonna jump in that?
That's where I'm going. End destination, that.
That.
In 5 days' time,
That.
that's where we'll be.
Super fun. It's got like 2 rings and then like a bar and it swings. Yeah.
How many people finish? I'm gonna say it's bet. Well, we need to put a wager on it. I'm gonna say 150 people finish.
Let's say 100. Sorbet.
Sorbet and.
Oh, there it is.